Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I'm recording this message because I just wanted to give you a little life update on what's going on with me and how it might affect my channel going forward just for a few weeks. Basically, I'm on location at the moment filming. Can you ever guess where? Let me know in the comments where you think I am. This one has been an absolute disaster, by the way, so make sure you stay tuned for it. It will come up in the next few weeks. So basically what's going on with me, I've discovered I have a life-threatening condition at the moment and I need to go under emergency surgery. So I'm going to be out of action for a few weeks at least. I do have quite a lot of content filmed at the moment, and so I will be putting out as and when I can. So if there is a gap in the channel, please bear with me for the time being. Like I say, I have got a fair bit filmed, so I'll just stagger it. So there might be some weeks where I have a week off, or a week on, week off. So yeah, just bear with me if you don't mind. I really do appreciate all the support with the channel so far. All the support you've given me in liking, subscribing, speaking to me, and just general support over this last year. I mean, the channel's grown to 4,300 subscribers so far in the space of just a year. I've just celebrated the channel's first birthday and I can't quite believe where I'm at, to be honest with you. I wasn't expecting it at all. I had this idea that we might get monetized in 2-3 years if we were lucky. So for it to happen so fast and you guys to be enjoying the content, I really do appreciate everything you've done for me. So yeah, that's basically it. I will be putting out content, but if you do notice a scar around my head, you'll know why. So yeah, other than that, I'll speak to you soon. Take care.